Hello everyone, guys. Today we will discuss the fully functional dependency. Actually, this topic comes under the types of dependency where we have to study the fully functional dependency, then the partial dependency, after that trivial, non-trivial, then transitive and non-transitive, and many more dependencies are there. But we will study here fully functional dependency one by one. We will discuss that. Let's see what is exactly the fully functional dependency. Let A be the non-prime key attribute. If we have a relation and we are considering that there is a lots of attributes, then from that A be the non-prime key attribute, and the value of A completely dependent upon all prime key attribute, and from that relation we say that A values is completely dependent upon the all prime key attribute. That means all the key attributes or all the prime key attribute combinedly uniquely identify the value of A, then A is said to be fully functional dependent. The word comes from the fully is the completely dependent upon all prime key attributes. That please keep in mind if we have a relation and we have suppose 3 prime key attributes and 1 non-prime key attribute. So if we say that A is completely dependent, you're fully completely dependent upon these dependent on all attributes, that means that all 3 prime attribute combinedly finds the unique value of A. So that means we have to take all the prime key attribute in one time. Okay. So let's take an example, then you will find out what is exactly the point is. Consider a relation student. There is a relation of table student having the prime keys. We have the prime keys attributes like roll number and games. Okay. We have a table student in which roll number and games, 2 attributes are the prime keys, and non-prime key attributes are grade, name and fees. Okay, these are the 3 non-prime key attributes. That means we have a 5 attributes here: roll number, games, grade, name and fees. So this is basically the graphical chart of functional dependency. Let's see how we can find who is fully functional dependent. Let's see. In the big rectangular box, we represent this is a table name or relation name, and under this we represent the prime keys. So we have 2 prime keys, roll number and the games. So these are the roll number and the games. Okay, this double arrow represent that one roll number or one student can enroll in many games. Okay, that means that's why many relationship. After that, this arrow shows that that is a complete dependent upon the grade. Okay, these all the attributes, and this represent that we can find out the value of we can find out the value of name of a student by its roll number. Yes, a student have a unique roll number, so that roll number cannot be allotted to other one. So the roll number alone can find the value of name. We do not need games here combinedly. Okay, but games fees of a game can be uniquely identified with only games attribute. We do not need any roll number attached with that. So yes, there is, but when the point comes that can we find the grade if we provide the value of roll number? No, because along with that we have to provide the game value, because a roll number enrolled in many games. So how we can say that for which grade value we are asking for? It may be game 1, 2, many games. So we have to provide combinedly the roll number and the games. Both these attributes combinedly finds the unique value for the grade. So that means this grade is completely dependent upon the all prime key attributes, which are roll number and the games. So that means that the grade is fully functional dependent upon the all prime keys of these table, that is roll number and the games. So this is all about the functional dependency, fully functional dependency. If we have to write this, we can write in this way. Let's see. This is the prime key attribute, or along with these are the 2 prime key attributes. Both combinedly, please remember, both combinedly determines the grade value. Okay, if I say roll number, by roll number only I can find or determine the value of grade? No, it is not possible. We have to combinedly provide the value of these two attributes, then we find the value of grades. Okay, that is, grade is completely dependent upon the all the prime keys of these table. So we will say that this is the fully functional dependent. Okay guys, so this is all about the fully functional dependent. In the next section we will discuss the partial functional dependency with the same example, or we will take one more example. So we will that will clear out all the partial and the fully functional dependent concept. Okay guys, and guys, if my videos are helping you, so please like and share these videos and subscribe the channel. And as I always say you, please follow the playlist of these videos, and its link is under the description of the video. Okay? Thank you.